Alright, so on this problem, they did do a lot correct, and I'll talk about that first. First, they did factor everything correctly. They did the numerators correctly, they factored the denominators, they even did the keep, change, and flip. The top here was x minus 9, x plus 4. The bottom was x plus 7, x minus 3. Over here, they have the x plus 7, x plus 2, and the x plus 4, and x plus 2. Now, what they didn't do correctly was what happened here. You can't just cancel the x's, these two x's, just because it would have to be the whole expression because it both has the 2 and the x. So this part cancels. The 4's cancel, even though they're diagonal, they still cancel. The x plus 7's cancel as well. This leaves us with just the only part here, which was the x plus 9 and x minus 9, x minus 3. So that was the final answer, x minus 9 all over x minus 3.